Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install CSharp on Linux. So first of all we have to go into the browser, and inside this browser we have to first of all download the Microsoft package repository that we will install, because it is required for our CSharp to basically work. I will show you the exact link that you can use to download this package repository. So of course you have to start with HTTPS, and I know that you can download that, for example, with wget command from the terminal, but I want to show you this way in the browser, because I think it is useful. So we will start with packages.microsoft.com, and right now / and config, and we'll stop with that. I will press enter, and as you can see we have a site that looks like this. We have some Linux distribution. So for example, if you use Debian, you will click on Debian. If you use Fedora, you will click on Fedora. I will click on Ubuntu because I am using Ubuntu, and right now we have to choose the version. In order to see our version, we have to go into terminal, and we have to use command uname -a. It will show us the version. The version is right here, 24.04. So we will use this package, and from there we need to download the .deb file from like this. This is the second last one, so I will click on it. This is very small, so as you can see 4 kilobytes, so we can go into terminal right now and we have to install it. First of all, I will move to the download section, it will be easier, and here we have our deb package that we downloaded before, and we have to use sudo first of all, because we need administration permissions, and right now -e, and right now not -e, before dpkg, this command, and right now -e, and the name of our package. We can fill it by pressing tab on the keyboard. We have to press enter. Of course we have to type in the password, and we have to wait a bit, and it's finished. Right now we can go back to our home section, and we will do a sudo apt update before we will, and after it we will install a .NET SDK, because .NET is of course required for CSharp, basically for CSharp, to make CSharp work, I would say. So we'll wait a bit here, and right now we will install .NET. So sudo apt install. This command will work on Ubuntu and Debian. I am showing it this for Ubuntu and Debian right now. So .NET -SDK -8.0, right, like this. We will press enter, and we have to agree right there. So we will press Y, that stands for yes, and we can wait now. So now we are waiting for it to be finished. And now we can, maybe at the beginning we will check the .NET version to make sure that it is correct. So as you can see, .NET version 8, so it is correct, and I will show you how to create a project by using this .NET. So we will type in .NET new console -o, and the name of our project, so HelloWorld, for example. I will press enter. As you can see, our project is creating right there, or is being created. So right now we have a folder HelloWorld. As you can see, it has been created. We can go into this folder, and we can leave that. As you can see, we have some files. The program.cs is a main file that contains I think HelloWorld line, basically the printing a HelloWorld line, so we can check that. So like this, as you can see, console write line HelloWorld, so this is working. And right now we can check if this is working by typing in .NET run inside this folder. So I will press it, I will type it in and press enter. And right now we have to wait a bit. And in a second the text hello world should be right there. As you can see, it is. Of course you can edit these program files. Of course you can add more files into it. You can edit this by nano, for example. As you can see, we can edit it and add some new things, but you can do it on your own. And this is the end of this video. This is how you can use CSharp on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.